Today we're going to look at completing a recipe costing sheet using the spreadsheet below. So you can see from the image that I'm going to be cooking a key lime pie. And I'd put the date here of when I'm doing my costing. Now I'm going to imagine that my key lime pie serves 6 people. Now let's start filling in the costing sheet. I'd start by listing my ingredients. I need lime juice, I need biscuits for my base, I need condensed milk, and I need butter. I'm going to start with the quantity that I require for the recipe. Now I need 120 mils of lime juice, I need 1 packet of biscuits, I need a tin of condensed milk, and I need 125 grams of butter. Now what is the quantity purchased in? Well, the whole bottle of lime juice was 250 mils. The biscuit base was 250 grams. There was a 395 gram tin of condensed milk and 250 grams of butter. I'll then go through and put the prices of each ingredient in. There's $1 for the lime juice, $1.09 for the biscuits, $1.60 for the condensed milk, and $3.70 for the salted butter. I'm now going to show you the costing rule, and I'm going to zoom in because I need a bit of room. So we're going to put a fraction here for each of these. And I'm going to multiply each of these fractions by the price of the product. And that's going to help us come up with the total cost. What we do on the top of the fraction, if you can see it here, we have to use the quantity required. So we have 120 mils, 250 grams, 395 grams, and 125 grams. Underneath, we have to put on the bottom of our fraction or our denominator the quantity it was purchased in. So it was purchased was 250 mils, 250 grams, 395 grams. Notice that these two are wholes because we need a whole packet and a whole tin, as stated earlier. And then the butter was purchased in 250 grams. Now we can do this a few different ways. You could put the fraction into your calculator and times it by 100, or we could do it a different way. And I'm going to show you that doing this first example, the different ways you could do it. So you could do 120 divided by 250 times 1 for $1. Or you could put 120 divided by 250 in your calculator, press the SD button and times 1. But that division is for people who don't like putting fractions in their calculator. So to go through and do it, I'm going to do it that way. 120 divided by 250 times 1 is $0.48. So that's how much the lime juice is actually going to cost me. 250 divided by 250 is 1 because it's a whole, and 1 times $1.09 is $1.09. That's going to be the exact same thing for the condensed milk. 395 divided by 395 is 1 times $1.60 is $1.60. And the last one is 125 divided by 250 times $3.70, and that's $1.85. And some of you might have noticed that that's actually half. So I'll go through and find my total cost by adding up all 4 ingredients. So 0.48 times 1 plus 1.09 plus $1.60 plus $1.85. So the whole recipe is costing $5.02. Now remember, it has 6 servings. So to find out cost per portion or serve, I would get our total cost, which is below, and then I divide it by how many servings. And $5 shared between 6 is about 84 cents rounded. And that is how you complete a costing sheet spreadsheet for a recipe. Thank you.